Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. I do hope you will be fine. In today's lecture, I will explain the concept of limit, and I will tell you why the concept of limit is used. First of all, I would like to define limit. By limit of function, we mean how a function behave as an independent variable as we move toward a certain point. This is the basic definition of limit. Now I will explain why we use limit. When we are to find the value at a certain point, like f of x is equal to sine x divided by x, and we want to determine the value of function at x is equal to 0. If we put x is equal to 0, we get sine 0 is 0 and x is 0. So we uh, we have a 0 by 0 form, that is indeterminate form. It means that we cannot calculate the value of this function at x is equal to 0. Uh, then we use the concept of limit. There are two methods to study this phenomena. First of all, uh, we uh, come close to x is equal to 0. First of all, we start, we will give the value of x plus minus 2. We get function value of the function 0.454648713. And we goes closer to x is equal to 0 step by step. And now we give value plus minus 1, then we get a 0.8414790. In a similar manner, we come closer to the x is equal to 0, if we give value plus minus 0.001, we get result 0.9999833, which is nearly equal to 1. This is the one way of one method to study the limit. This approach is cumbersome, it required a lot of time, uh, but we can use this concept to understand the concept of limit. Now I will explain the second method, that is to find the limit by using the algebraic simplification. Limit x approaches to 0, sine 0 is divided by sine x divided by x. If I put we have 0 by 0 form, we will applying the L'Hopital rule. What is L'Hopital rule? If we have indeterminate form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, we take the derivative of the numerator and denominator separately. After applying the L'Hopital, we have limit x approaches to 0 cos of x divided by 1. After simplifying, it will be cos of x, and if we put the limit cos 0, we will get result 1. I have explained two way. One is the through numerically study the limit, concept of limit. That is required lot of hard work and required a great deal of hard work. The same second method is using the algebraic simplification. This is Lartesian method. This is the second way to study the method. Now we will solve some question relating to the limit. Uh, I have solved this question from Sukaski, Calculus book 6th edition. Exercise 11 to 24, use an algebraic simplification to help find the limit if it exists. 15, limit r approaches to 1 r square minus r divided by 2 r square plus 5 r minus 7. We will solve this method by using algebraic simplification. We take r common from the numerator, and in the denominator we will form the factor using factorization. We will get 2r square plus 7r minus 2r minus 7. We have separated 5r into 7r minus 2r. And we have, after simplifying the factor, we have limit r approaches to 1, r into r minus 1 divided by 2r plus 7 r minus 1. We can cancel the factor r minus 1 from numerator and denominator, and we will get limit r approaches to 1, r divided by 2r plus 7. After simplification, we have to put the limit 1, we will get the result 1 by 9. Let's solve another question of the limit. Limit h approaches 0, x plus h whole power 3 minus x 3 h. Here we have, if we put the limit, we get h approaches 0, x power 3 minus x 3 will cancel. From numerator we will have 0, and denominator is h approaches 0, and this is 0 by 0 form, that is indeterminate form. Uh, we will simplify this by opening the cube, x cube plus h cube plus 3xh into x plus h minus x cube. If we cancel out the x3 and minus x3, we get h, limit h approaches 0, h3 plus 3xh into x plus h divided by h. And we take h from the numerator common, and if we cancel it is denominator, we will have a simplified form of this question. Limit h approaches 0, h square plus 3x into x plus h divided by 1. Now the question of the limit is in the simplified form. If it is in the simplified form, we put the limit, and we will get the limit 3x square. Now I will explain the left hand one-sided limit concept, uh, left hand limit and the right hand limit. Uh, from left hand limit, limit x approaches to a, and minus sign is written above the limit, limiting value fx is equal to l. It's mean that we can make fx as close to l as desired by choosing x sufficiently close to a, and in this case we have x is less than a, and graphically we will approach the limit x, uh, 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 we will approach the limit x approaches to a from the values x is less than a, and we will get the limit x, uh, and graphically the limit is shown by open circle. From the right hand limit, we mean limit x approaches to a plus f of x l. Right hand limit, we we can make fx as close to L as desired by choosing x sufficiently close to a, and in this case we have x is greater than a. It means that we will approach the limit from greater than a. Uh, we said that the limit exists if the left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. If both limit exist and equal, then we say that the limit is exist. Now we will solve some question using the left hand, the right hand limit concept. Exercise 25 to 30. Find the limit if it exists. Limit x approaches to a minus f of x, yeah, that is the left hand limit, and limit x approaches to a plus, that is the right hand limit of function fx, and see if the left and the right hand limit are equal, and then we will have the limit. Question 25, f of x is equal to x minus mod divided by x minus 4. First of all, we will using the concept of mod, we will simplify this function. F of x is equal to x minus 1 mod divided by x minus 1. We will be in minus x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 when x is less than 4. And cancel out this, then we will have in the simplified form minus 1 this function. Other branch of this function will be plus x minus 4 divided by x minus 4, and if you cancel out this factor, we will have 1 for x is greater than 4. Here we will find the left hand limit, limit x approaches to a. Here a is equal to 4. limit x approaches to 4 minus f of x. It means that x we will have the function when x is less than 4. For x is less than 4, we have the function's value minus 1. And this is the simplified form. If we put the limit, and we will get the minus 1. Now we find the right hand limit, limit x approaches to a plus f of x, limit x approaches to 4 plus. It means that we have x is greater than 4. For x greater than 4, we have the value of the function is equal to 1. There is no simplification possible. Then we will put the limit. We will get this right hand limit value 1. Since left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, so limit x approaches to 0 f of x does not exist. Now I will solve another question. In this question, we have to plot as well, sketch the graph of f, and find each limit if it exists. F is equal to x square minus 1 if x is less than 1, 4 minus x if x is greater than 1. This is the graph of the our function, piecewise function. X square minus 1, x value is 2. Then we will have the parabolic function, which will be parallel to the y-axis, and it will start from x is equal to 1. Here we will have the limiting value, and 4 minus x is a linear function. Its graph will be a straight line. Now we will solve the limit x approach to a minus f of x. Limit here value of a is equal to 1. X approach to 1 minus f of x. In this case, we will have the function x is less than 1, or x is less than, we have function x square minus 1. This is also in the simplified form. If we put x approach to 1, 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. This will be the left hand limit, and right hand limit x approach to a plus f of x, limit x approach to 1 plus, which means that x we will approach the limit from x is greater than 1. As for x greater than 1, we have function 4 minus x. We put the value 4 minus x. This is also in the simplified form. If we put the value of x is equal to 1, we will have the right hand limit 3. uh, Also here we have left hand limit is not equal to the right hand limit, so limit does not exist. So this student, I have solved several concept basic. I do hope you will understand the concept of the limit. uh, uh, Goodbye, and take care of yourself.